Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the wallpaper to the display section, then to the wallpaper. Then you can select one of the preset wallpapers, like these based CAVION wallpapers you have here, or you can just go to the My Photos and select any other image which you can download from the internet, or just take a photo of something and set it as a wallpaper here, like this. Here you can adjust this image and then tap Set Wallpaper. And after that you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.